Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tasty fried rice. First, always use day-old cold rice. This is crucial for a perfect texture, preventing your rice from becoming mushy. Gather all your ingredients, like chopped vegetables and proteins, before you even turn on the stove. This preparation, known as mise en place, ensures a smooth and efficient cooking experience, which is key for delicious results. Next, high heat is your best friend. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in your wok until it's shimmering and almost smoking. Cook your proteins, such as scrambled eggs or diced chicken, separately until just done, then set them aside. When stir-frying vegetables, work quickly, perhaps for only 1 minute, to keep them crisp and vibrant, adding a wonderful texture to your dish. Now let's build that incredible flavor. Introduce aromatics like minced garlic and ginger into the hot oil first, cooking them for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, add your rice, breaking up any clumps. A generous splash of soy sauce, perhaps 2 tablespoons, and a drizzle of sesame oil are essential for that classic umami taste. A small pinch of white pepper adds an authentic, subtle warmth. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Return your cooked proteins and vegetables to the wok with the rice. Toss everything vigorously for about 1 minute, ensuring all ingredients are evenly coated and heated through. Taste your fried rice and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps adding another ½ teaspoon of soy sauce or a pinch of salt. Serve your delicious, piping hot fried rice immediately for the best enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.